Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss a numerical based on wedge failure. A soil mass is resting on an inclined impermeable layer of clay as shown in figure. Determine the factor of safety against the wedge failure along the surface AB. The soil has following properties. The cohesion per unit area is 6 kilonewton per meter square. Phi is 20 degree and density is 17 kilonewton per meter square. Now we are supposed to determine the factor of safety for this wedge. So we know that in wedge failure, the soil mass which is lying above the impermeable layer slides over the bottom layer. That means shear failure of this soil mass occurs. So factor of safety against wedge failure is given by shear strength divided by stresses causing or stresses which are trying to cause failure. So first we will determine the stresses which are trying to cause the failure. So here weight of this soil mass is acting in downward direction. So this weight can be resolved into two components. First is tangential component and second is normal component. So this tangential component try to push this soil mass in downward direction, means this tangential force is trying to cause the failure. So first we will determine the weight of this soil mass, and using this weight we will determine the tangential component of the weight. So here weight of the triangular wedge ABD is given as W equal to half into 2.86 which is base into 2.5 which is height into density 17. So total weight per unit length of the wedge is given obtained as 60.8 kilonewton. Now the tangential component which is the sliding force T is given as W sine 25, that is 60.8 into sine 25 which is equal to 25.7 kilonewton. Now we have determined the forces which are trying to cause the failure. Now we will determine the shear strength of the soil. So we know the formula for shear strength. It is equal to S equal to C plus sigma tan phi. So here we can write C as small c into L, where C is the cohesion per unit length and capital L is length of slope or failure surface, plus sigma. So in this case normal force is the normal component of weight which is equal to W cos phi into tan phi. So first we will determine the value of L. So this is height which is 2.5, this is 2.86 surface dB, and this angle is 25 degree. This is inclination of failure surface. So this length of the failure surface will be obtained by L equal to 2.5 into sine 25. 2.5 into sine 25 which is equal to 5.91 meter. So the shear strength will be obtained as S equal to CL plus normal component of weight, that is W cos phi into tan phi. So S will be equal to 6 into 5.91 CL plus W cos 25, that is 60.8, cos 25 is 0.906 into tan phi which is equal to 0.364. So value of S obtained will be 55.51 kilonewton. So the factor of safety will be equal to S upon T. So S, value of S is 55.51 0.51 and value of T is 25.7. So factor of safety is equal to 2.16 against the wedge failure. Thank you for watching.